Taking a taxi in China is very convenient, but since Uber is not available in China, using DiDi is essential. As the largest ride-hailing platform in China, DiDi is a key tool for getting around. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to use DiDi for your transportation needs. I'll explain how to use DiDi from 5 different aspects, providing a detailed comparison to help you decide which method of using DiDi suits you best. 1. What is DiDi? DiDi is the largest ride-hailing platform in China, providing convenient transportation services for millions of users every day. Similar to Uber, it allows you to book taxis, private cars, and other ride options through a mobile app. DiDi is a must-have tool for getting around in China, whether you're traveling within a city or to nearby destinations. 2. How to use DiDi with Alipay. Follow these steps to book a ride using Alipay. Step 1. Open Alipay and click Transport or DiDi Travel. Step 2. If you click Transport, proceed by selecting Taxi. Step 3. Tap Pickup, and you will be redirected to the DiDi registration prompt. Step 4. Click Confirm to proceed. Step 5 to 7. Enter your phone number. You can use a local Chinese number or an international number. Keep in mind that drivers won't call international numbers due to high costs, they will send messages in the chat window instead. Step 8. Click Allow to grant location access. Without this, the app cannot locate your position. Step 9 to 11. Choose your pickup and drop-off locations. You can type in English, pinyin, or paste Chinese text directly from other sources. Step 12. Select your car type. Standard cars can seat up to 4 people. For more than 4 passengers, choose a larger vehicle or book an additional ride. Step 13. Proceed with payment. If autopay isn't set up, you'll need to prepay. Don't worry, it works the same way. Step 14. Select your bank card to complete the payment. Step 15. Check the license plate number and wait for your ride at the pickup location. Step 16. Use the chat window to communicate with the driver. A built-in translation tool allows you to send messages in English. That's the complete process for using Alipay to book a ride with DiDi. Easy, right? Give it a try. 3. How to use DiDi with WeChat. Follow these steps to book a ride through the DiDi mini program in WeChat. Step 1 to 3. Open WeChat, search for DiDi in the search bar, and click on the mini program. Step 4 to 5. Tap Allow to grant location access. Without this, the app cannot locate your position. Step 6 to 8. Choose your pickup and drop-off locations. You can type in English, pinyin, or paste Chinese text from other sources. Step 9 to 12. Enter your registered phone number. You can use a local Chinese number or an international number. However, note that drivers won't call international numbers due to high costs. They will communicate with you through the chat window instead. Step 13. Select your car type. Standard cars can seat up to 4 people. For more than 4 passengers, choose a larger vehicle or book an additional ride. Step 14. Note that WeChat does not translate this step into English. The first option is to bind WeChat Pay for auto payment. The second option is to prepay, with adjustments made for any extra or unused fees. Step 15. Click Pay. Step 16. Select your payment card. Step 17 to 18. Complete the payment process. Step 19. This option asks for consent to record audio during the ride for passenger safety. Select the option on the right to agree. Step 20. Check the license plate number and wait at your pickup location. Step 21. Use the chat window to communicate with the driver. The chat includes a built-in translation tool, so you can send messages in English. Since many features in WeChat mini programs lack English translations, it's not the most recommended way to book a ride, especially for international users. 4. How to use DiDi with the DiDi app. Follow these steps to book a ride using the DiDi app. Step 1 to 2, search for DiDi in your app store, download the app, and open it. Step 3, select your region as mainland China. Step 4, tap Agree to accept the terms. Step 5 to 6, tap Allow to enable location access. Without this, the app won't be able to locate you. Step 7, enter your phone number to register. You can use either a local Chinese number or an international number, but note that drivers won't call international numbers due to high costs. Instead, they'll communicate via the in-app chat. Step 8 to 10, choose your pickup and drop-off locations. You can type in English, pinyin, or paste Chinese text. Step 11, select your car type. Standard cars can seat up to 4 people. For larger groups, select a bigger vehicle or book an additional ride. Step 12, choose your payment method. It's recommended to use a debit or credit card. Step 13, if you select Alipay, the app will redirect you to Alipay for payment. Confirm the payment to proceed. Step 14, agree to audio recording for safety by selecting the consent option. Step 15, check the car's license plate number and wait at the pickup location. Step 16, use the in-app chat window to communicate with the driver. The chat includes a translation tool, so you can send messages in English. Additionally, you can link your international credit card directly in the DiDi app for automatic payments. Here's how. Step 1, tap Me, then go to Wallet. Step 2, select payment methods. Step 3, add your credit card by following the instructions. With your credit card linked, payments are processed automatically, making the process more convenient. Now that we've covered the 3 ways to use DiDi, let's compare them to see which one suits you best. 5. Comparison of usage methods. There are 3 main ways to use DiDi, each with its pros and cons. DiDi with Alipay is highly convenient, as it doesn't require downloading the DiDi app, and payments are processed directly through Alipay. However, the experience may not be as smooth as using the native app, but it's still rated 5 stars for simplicity. DiDi with WeChat also eliminates the need for the DiDi app and offers a straightforward payment process via WeChat. However, it has the drawback of less smooth functionality and a more complicated WeChat registration process, earning it 3 stars. Lastly, the DiDi app provides the best user experience as a native application, supporting international credit cards and offering smooth operation. However, it requires downloading a relatively large app, which is best done on Wi-Fi to avoid high roaming charges. Despite this, it's rated 4 stars for its functionality and flexibility. That's all the information on how to use DiDi. Wishing you a wonderful time in China. Enjoy your trip.